Loves! Welcome back to my channel. Candy here. Today guys, papakita ko sa inyo as I try this new Kiss New York Press and Go Press-On Manicure. Kakabili ko lang ito guys kahapon and sakto naman medyo sira na yung aking nail polish. Kaya dapat sana pupunta ako sa salon para magpa-change ng polish. Sakto guys, nakita ko ito sa Watsons and I bought this for 499 pesos only. Ayan guys, meron pa siyang price tag over here. As you know guys, sobrang sikat ngayon ito sa market at ito yung ginagamit ng mga girls nowadays. Kasi sabi nila, sobrang fast and convenient gamitin ito. As in, ididikit mo lang siya sa nails and you're ready to go. Let's proceed to the packaging. It's just a plastic box na transparent so you can see the design na mapipili nyo. And at the back of it, there's a photo kung paano siya tamang gawin. Yan yung tama and then yung mali. And this one comes with a prep pad. And you just have to press it firmly on your fingers or on your nails. And you're done. Upon opening of the box, here you can see the manual, nail file, and also guys, 30 pieces siya sa loob, 12 different sizes, and I got mine for 2 designs. Ayan, dalawang design siya guys. And this is the manual, and it comes with a nail file. Bakit guys? Kasi ang maganda rito, pwede natin siyang i-reshape kung ano yung preferred nyo or depende sa personal preference nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo shape, kung rounded ba or square. Kaya, try natin to kung okay talaga. Sabi dito guys, meron daw prep pads pero wala naman. Wala namang prep pads dito sa loob. Yan. Helpful tips, instructions, and at the back, same. So, ayan guys, without further ado, let's try and let's get into the video on how to do this press-on nail manicure. Guys, nakita niyo na kung paano ko siya ginawa. Sobrang dali lang niya, diba? So guys, what are the benefits of using a press-on manicure? This product is perfect for the girls na sobrang busy, sa mga businesswomen dyan, working girls, estudyante, moms. this is the perfect product for you guys. Sobrang dali lang niya ilagay. You just have to peel off the adhesive, put it on your nails, and you're ready to go. Ayun na siya guys, diba? And it's really flexible, you guys. Sobrang okay siya gamitin. Sobrang lightweight. It's very soft. And I think this is waterproof. Tsaka talaga guys, iwas bakbak siya guys. So, tinatry ko siyang kutkutin ng ganyan kanina. Nagigigil na ako. Hindi naman siya nababakbak and walang bubbles. Diba? Like yung mga nail polish, talagang hihintayin pa natin siyang matuyo bago tayo makaalis ng salon or sa bahay. Unlike this one, press lang guys. Ito na, makakaalis ka na. Ano naman yung mga negative na nakikita ko on this press-on manicure? For me, it's not reusable. So, pagkatapos mo siyang gamitin, wala na, diba? Kasi mawawala na yung dikit niya, hindi mo na siya magagamit. So, ang mangyayari, tatapon mo na lang. Sayang. And you have to be extra careful, guys, kasi pwede siyang umangat pag nag-open ka ng stuff, yung bottle, especially pag may force yung mga bubuksan nyo na stuff kasi possible siya na mag-up and off. And also, the other thing, yung mga sizes ng ibang nails na hindi kasya sa'yo, hindi mo na magagamit. Pero, advantage naman yun sa mga may sister or may mother na kasama sa bahay, ibang sizes, pwede pa sa kanila. So, ayun guys, I hope it helps at nakapagbigay ako ng tips sa inyo kung paano ma-achieve ang ganitong nails, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos like these, please click the notification bell below. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye!